Hello, my name is Mitchell Joseph. Welcome to Trading the Markets. I'm not a financial advisor. Just wanted to show you the 1 minute opening range break orb strategy that I implemented today, Friday 14th, 2014. Now check it out. The dollar's raging. See where the SPY open up at. For the 5 minute. Wow, we open at 540. This opening price 540. What's that? 540. Oh no. 540.88. 540.88. All right. So now here's what I'm gonna do, right? There's one way I can scalp, and mind you, the red box is a wall earlier that we bounced from. So gonna let this candle close, and what I'm gonna do is mark out levels off this 1 minute. So this is what if you want to really micro scalp, if you will. Just let the candle close, and mind you, I already looked at the sentiment and like the charting already. All right, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. All right, the first 1 minute candle is formed, right? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mark the high and the low. It's the high. Just take this and use it as a low. Maybe I should switch through. I mean, it doesn't really matter. But so now what I'm gonna do, so right, that's the first 1 minute candle. So we want to see a close above on one of these candles. So we're just gonna be patient right now. And depending on which way I can pick the at the money 541 calls or the 540.50 puts. But mind you, it's only been the first 3 minutes, so that's why you have to be patient. You have to be patient. Especially if you're trying to get active so early, that's where you get trapped. Notice how in these first couple minutes we've been staying inside of the range of that first 1 minute candle. So at the end of the day, it's really all about the ranges. But yeah, this is called opening range break strategy. And I've used it as scalp. Maybe we break to the upside, maybe. 1 minute so you can see the signal sooner up. 11 seconds, we might break 10, we might break to the upside. So now, but 4 seconds. So now I can quickly look for the calls. All right, so we got to hold on 1 minute. You can wait for a retest, we can enter right away. So let's enter right away. 541, 541.50 calls on SPY. SPY. So I'll even do 0 day. All right, maybe it'd be better if I do it the next day, but let's go for it. Because we don't plan to be here for too long. So 541, they're going for about 120, right? So let's just say if I bought two contracts, right? Two contracts, 120 each. All right, so you see I just got those two contracts. So now take these contracts, copy them, throw them in. Actually, before I got in, I should have looked to see where to put the stop loss, but that's okay. As you can see, it dropped down. So now under a dollar would be the stop loss. You see how I did that? I see like the low is 98. So now go to my contracts and put a stop loss at like 95 on both these contracts. And because it's five, I could just go to regular stop, put up 96, and boom. So now I have my stop loss at 96, got in at 117.2 contracts, so now I'm down $5 and I have 240 up. All right. So now let's see if this continues. So now we watch. So now like what we can notice is that there's a big gap, and if we do get back up there, that could be a target. So now what we can do is mark levels where it would be appropriate to take some major profit. And this would have to be the first one right here. So I'll use some of these lines. That was the open from yesterday, and I'll leave that one. This could be the first target right here. First target right there. Oh look. Yeah, with the first target really quickly. So as you can see, I'm already up 17 bucks. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring my stop loss up. And better yet, I'm gonna trade on active trader because I just added some other stuff to trade on active trader. So right here, I could do all my trading. They set it up like this. So spy over there. Spy. This chart. Put the active trade on this side. Dutch. Yep. Get the both. But this one should be on the two. Just so I can focus on this component. Look, see where my stop loss is at, see where I'm at over here. See where my stop is right there on SPY as well. And then I have my position down here. If I want to look at it, see I'm already at $27. So at this point, we can move our stops up to break even. And let me make this a little smaller. There we go. So let's move the stop up to 120. Let's move this up. Now it's a risk-free trade. I even put in profit a little bit. As we're climbing, I want to start fading 134. Oh, look like we might have clear skies up ahead. Look at that. It's already starting to move. So now we're gonna really start trailing our stop loss. So let's start moving it because we're not trying to get back nothing. Yeah, so we're into 130. So now I guaranteed to take $20, 140. I'm gonna start trailing. I don't know when it's gonna stop. But I'm out of there. And that's how you secure $26. And that's how you scalp. We're not even being greedy with it because it can keep going, but it can also stop. And we already hit my first target. So that's why I just took that. And that's how you scalp, ladies and gentlemen. That's how it's done. Now, it started pulling back a little bit. So now I'm gonna let this come down. And that's how you use the strategy. Low risk at the end of the day, my stop loss is underneath here.